What's up YouTube? Kyle here with an unboxing for my Gym Reds, my Air Jordan 1 Gym Reds that I did order. Um, Pretty stoked that I got them. I did order them 2 days ago. Like literally just arrived. I'm actually super excited to open this right now, yeah. So I'm just gonna so yeah, this is like nice box, Nike Air Jordan 1 box. This is actually my first pair of Air Jordan 1 highs. My friend kind of convinced me to grab these. Like, they did release June 29. But I've been like not wanting to pick them up. But I did find a pair for a size 11.5 on Foot Locker a couple days ago, and I was just like, I've been looking at this shoe for like a whole month. I'm gonna at least buy them, because initially the plan was to get breads for November 29, but just in case I don't cop them in my own size, I decided to pick these up. So here we go. Let's open it up. Box. Oh, nice and clean. Super nice. Size 11.5. My friend was super mad because he couldn't pick up a size 10 on his, but what can you say? Super nice red shoelaces. Definitely dead stock, of course. But yeah, super can't wait to like try them on. Hopefully they fit. I wear usually size 11. I did go a size up because of looking up reviews based on like people saying they're not that comfortable, but yeah, let's try it. Yeah, so the shoe fits me extremely well. They're actually more comfortable than what people would say what they were. Just I did go like basically my a little like a size up, 0.5 up anyway, but they fit perfectly fine for me. They're like quite comfy. They hug like my heel. It's great. I really love the white on these, like the white leather, black leather, the little gloss leather. It's not terrible. I really like the hits of red and the white Air Jordan logo on it. It's what like draws me to the shoe. Definitely dope pickup. Uh, Pretty happy actually. So like this is technically my first pair of Air Jordan 1 highs. I've only owned mids, unfortunately. So yeah. So if you guys like the video, comment, rate, subscribe. Also like to help that YouTube algorithm. Uh, and I'll do more videos. So thanks for watching. Peace.